What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Thank you so much for tuning in. It's me, Mikey Pipes. It is Wednesday. No, sorry. It is Thursday, March 19th, 2026, and I'm on site at a job. It's 8 o'clock in the morning here. This is day 2 of a multiple day HVAC install and swap out job featuring my private label, the Mikey Pipes, powered by ACiQ, inverter driven, high efficiency heat pump systems. These right behind me are 2 3-ton inverter heat pumps that honestly are at the same price point of a Ream or Rude builder's grade equipment. You heard that right, folks. The same price point of a builder's grade Ream or Rude, or maybe even like a York or a Payne system. Same price point, probably a little bit cheaper. So if you're an HVAC contractor, installer, you want more information, email me, mike@mikeypipes.com, and I'll put you in touch with the folks over at ACiQ that even developed my own private label. Let's go take a look inside. You ready? Let's go! Wow. Very, very nice. Smile, come on, looks great.
Oh yeah, I think so.
All right. There's really no other way to make the lines look pretty, but
about going like up and over.
yeah, but it's kind of dumb. That is kind of dumb. You know what? So yes, we're leaving here. Flare connections coming straight across, right to our outdoor heat pump condensing unit. It's okay.
There's piping there anyway. It's not like I'm like boring the way.
Yeah. You know, I left you the tool to take those plugs out. It's on top of the
no,
tool chest.
Too big.
It's too big?
Yeah.
Oh, so it's one like that though.
It's
the
like
easy
it,
out,
yeah.
yeah. Very nice. All right, folks. Get showing the road. All right, here's the second floor air handler. Let's take a look up to the attic. All of the ductwork is up here already. Plenums, flex, a lot going on. Say hi to James. James has his YouTube channel called
Plum Guy NY.
Plum Guy NY, Plumb NY. Check him out. He actually posts more content than I do. And look, and today he's not plumbing, he's ducting. We'll make him a tin knocker before we know it. We got a bunch of R8 flexible ductwork up here, mostly 8-inch, a few 6s as well. All of our takeoffs, our ceiling boxes, side outlet, other diffusers. We're gonna bring up the air handler, put it up there, run the line set, and get that done today. Hopefully the electrician will be able to do some today as well, but he's got to come scope it out. But the homeowner was gonna have that done first, but didn't work out. Good stuff. Right back on the job site, I just ran a couple service calls. Let's go see how they're doing. Also, I'm gonna make sure I put my private label sticker on the equipment outside because it really makes it shine. They just look so nice now. Yep, they sure do. All right, got one there, another one there. We got one up there, another one there. One of the rear bedrooms. All right, one bathroom. Another bedroom. And the last bedroom. I guess that's an oops. It happens. Let's head upstairs. See how we're doing. Not too shabby. Not too shabby. Yeah, that nasty insulation. What joy.
Hi.
How's your hole?
Okay.
Not too shabby. Only one oops, huh?
What was that?
Only one oops today.
One oops.
The front right bedroom.
Oh yeah, that wasn't me, so it's okay.
Okay. Very nice.
I saw it happen though.
Oh,
I
yeah.
was right under the hole because I cut the sheetrock.
Yeah.
And then, James was cutting the
The hole.
plywood, and then boom, big flash.
Oh, that's where they nicked the wire?
Yeah.
That's what it is.
Never seen a wire get nicked before.
Okay.
It was really bright.
We're gonna get all the diffusers on today? Is that the goal?
No, we're not putting diffusers on.
Okay.
Because they're tearing the ceilings down.
Oh, okay.
They're doing like major renovation.
We're gonna put this up at least so you don't see a giant hole here, or leave it as is?
I was gonna leave it.
Okay, that's what they wanted?
I asked if she wanted me to put
The cover's on.
covers on,
And
and she said no, it doesn't make any sense.
Okay, perfect. Very
And I
good.
agree.
Oh, I agree as well.
Nicely in the box up here.
Okay, perfect. All right, let's see how it looks up here. You breaking a sweat yet?
Huh? Oh, you see me, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I know. This guy's the best. He really is. He's so nice and kind. Let's see. And the other 2 8s, right?
The other 2 8s
No, it's actually just, yeah, two more 8s.
are coming from the kitchen, but so we're done now with 6-inch duct,
Okay.
right? Because you just connected over to 6-inch. Get out of the attic, and then any bits of cut duct you could get out of the attic. That way we have more room to keep working.
Okay. Oh, the excess.
Yeah, so all the loose
Right, yeah,
pieces.
Because he was telling me it's 25 feet.
Yep.
25 feet is too excessive.
Yep. Well, technically code states that no run shall exceed 25 feet. Yeah. We have enough play to strap these up to the ceiling? Yeah, I'm good.
Are we strapping them to the ceiling?
Well, are we gonna leave them on the floor and they don't have any room up here to use, or?
I mean, if you want to strap in the ceiling, we can strap in the ceiling.
Well, I'm sure they want to use their attic space again. Right, unless you're gonna give them a path, from point A to point B, C, D, E, F, G. Because they do use a lot of the...
This duct's not connected.
Oh, sorry. That's the last one I did. I'll redo it.
Are you using a zip tie tool with that?
Yeah, the duct tie puller.
Yeah.
You are?
Yeah, I did. The tool.
Then there's no way that...
I probably didn't squeeze it more.
Well, you gotta squeeze it until it doesn't squeeze anymore, yeah.
But I wouldn't do that. I think it was the last one.
Okay. Yeah, okay. About to open up a can of whoop ass, but okay, one's acceptable. Kind of like Derek. he didn't get one completely. It what happened? Fell right off?
What?
The one I sent you a picture of when I was in Vegas?
Oh yeah, you didn't screw it.
And that was
I
B.
texted him after you texted me.
Yeah. And that was BY before yelling.
Yeah, it was.
Yeah. All right, folks, stick around for part 2, which is not going to be today, but we're going to run the line set and start up in commissioning. And Daniel's going to give some pointers on that. If you're interested in private labeling your own brand, email me, Mike@MikeyPipes.com, and I'll point you in the right direction. Catch you in the next one. Be well. God bless. Stay safe.